All here to start with a bang. We were enjoying your conversations, and now it's a time to open up this much awaited conclave. So, namaskar, and a very, very vibrant good morning to everybody present out here and also virtually across different regions and different boundaries. So, this is me, Shefali Saxena, warmly welcomes you on behalf of India Convention Promotion Bureau, sponsored by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, is the country's apex body whose regular mission is to propagate India's ability to hold conventions and conferences of all shapes and sizes. ICPB is a joint effort between the private and public sectors. Presently, ICPB is only travel industry body that is truly proud of participation from the entire meetings, incentives, conferences and exhibitions, that is the MICE industry, with members from central and state governments, hotels, airlines, tour operators, travel agents, exhibition suppliers, professional conference organizers, event managers, educational institutions, and many more. ICPB is chaired by Joint Secretary, Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. The management and operations are managed by the governing body with members from the different segments of the MICE industry. And today, of course, you might see that a lot of seats are vacant, but we have people joining from virtually, and it's a hybrid event. So, of course, it's a blend of physical and virtual event. So there are so many people, so many participants are already there with us. And on that note, I would like to begin this much awaited conclave. And as an independent woman, it's my pride, it's my privilege, and it's my pleasure to introduce the panel discussion number 4. This is the second day, and we had a very, very successful culmination of the conclave yesterday, the day 1. And now it's a panel discussion 4 with the topic Gender Equality and Sustainability in MICE Industry. So, as a woman, it's a very, it's a very empowering topic, and I would really like to hear out and witness this. It's my privilege, and none other than our beloved Madhu Dubey ji, the Executive Director, ICPB, will moderate this session. Madhu ji is currently the Executive Director at India Convention Promotion Bureau, responsible for...
Right. Thank you very much.
Achieve something out of it.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow,
Thank you.
What a mind-blowing session. Everyone. Are you all with me? Can we hear a huge round of applause for such confident women? And I am feeling truly enlightened and truly encouraged. Thank you for being such a guideline and such a great advisor. I've taken back so many points, whether it is, Nidhi ji saying about networking, or Poonam talking about adaptability, or Lalita ji saying about self-respect. And of course, Rajni was full of knowledge and so much of, she has seen from the different fields. And what an insight when I really abide with this point that we must have true friends in our life, men and women both, to set us right, to set us on the correct path. And of course, Dimple, I completely buy your thought that girls should be independent and experienced before getting married and settled. Thank you, each one of you, for contributing in such a brilliant way, Thank you so much, so much. So, thank you.